Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, my name is Donicor Seba Baclao and I am 35 years old. I live in Libon, Albay and I am single.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have kids. I have 15, 9, and 7-year-old kids.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 4 siblings and I am the eldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I graduated as a high school and I am undergraduated in college.
Why did you not finish your college?
Due to financial problems, I need to help my mom as a widow, so I stopped schooling.
Okay. Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have. I work in abroad in Dubai, United Arab for 6 years and I work there as a receptionist and waitress.
Okay. Do you have local experience as helper or nanny here in the Philippines?
Yes, I have a local experience here in the Philippines. I work in Batangas, Philippines, and I take care of a toddler and a newborn baby.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am a positive person and I don't have any surgeries in my body, but I have tattoo in my left side, arm left, and I'm a healthy person.
Why do you want to work abroad?
Working abroad is a stepping stone here in the Philippines to provide and to give good education to my children and family.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea. How can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos?
Regarding to the naughty children, first we need to calm down and stop and think what they need or what is the possibility why they have those attitudes. And also, being their nanny or a helper, I need to think of other things to give them to calm them down.
What is your message to your future employer?
Dear future employer, I am happy and I'm excited to be part of your small family, and I'm assuring you that I will do everything, my responsibilities and duties, and I am an honest person. I can do some multitasking job. I do love cooking, I do love cleaning, I'm an organized person, and I can assure you that if you have kids or pets, I can take care of them well.
Thank you.